Hello, today me and my friend are going to present a research paper for International Conference on Economics, Business, Tourism and Social Sciences, ICEBTS 2022. Our research paper entitled Adapt, a mobile application in improving students' performance in communicative English classroom presentation. Alright, before we move on, let me introduce the authors of this paper. Myself as the first author, Aiza binti Zainal Abidin, and my friend Norazelina binti Ghazali as the second author. We are English lecturer from General Studies Department, Polytechnic Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin, Dungun, Terengganu, Malaysia. I would like to start the presentation with the first section, that is abstract. During COVID-19 pandemic, it is vital for teachers to deliver meaningful learning content, develop effective communication, and have valuable discussions with students. For instance, e-learning platforms are formed through WhatsApp and Telegram. Video conferences, for example, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and WebEx. Alright, ideas to develop mobile applications become the most popular as they can be used anytime, anywhere, easy to access, and offer various learning styles that fulfill students' needs. Thus, there are numerous innovations in online teaching and learning that grow rapidly to support the educational system in Polytechnic Malaysia. ADAPT is the name of an innovation project developed as an aid for Polytechnic Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin students in communicative English classroom. As a mobile application, it supports mobile learning that is aimed to assist the students in understanding the differences between features and characteristics of products, and so that the student can improve in their presentation. Therefore, this study explores students' level of understanding to see the differences between features and characteristics of products after using ADAPT. It examines whether ADAPT helps in improving students' presentation performance in that topic. There are 16 students involved in this research, and they are taking Communicative English 2 classes, and they answered 20 questionnaires based on the research, which after that analyzed by using SPSS version 28. This study revealed positive changes in students' presentation. In addition, this research also indicated that the use of ADAPT to improve students' ability to deliver good presentations that meet rubric requirements set by Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia and assist them in doing self-study, active in class participation because of high confidence level. Overall, the outcome of this study indicates that the use of mobile applications improves students' performance in doing online presentations regardless of the limitations during the pandemic.
Hello, I am Norazelina binti Ghazali, the second author. So I'm going to continue this presentation with the second section, that is description. So for the description, I'm going to describe ADAPT. So ADAPT as an innovation project. So as my friend and I developed this innovation project, it is an aid for Polytechnic Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin students to be used in Communicative English classroom. So this mobile application supports mobile learning that is aimed to assist the students' understanding on the differences between features and characteristics of products so that the students can improve in their presentation. ADAPT has designed for students so that students will be able to study independently. More than that, ADAPT also allows students to have their ownership and control their learning process. Furthermore, it also accommodates students with notes and assessments, as it gives students more understanding of the topic therefore it can boost students' confidence. So, students can assess their performance through exercises and quizzes from the apps. So as you can see here, these are something about ADAPT. ADAPT is an online learning management system that specializes in English education for both lecturers and students. So all tutorials and exercises can be accessed through this portal where learning materials and resources could be uploaded. So the materials are uploaded by lecturers and can be shared, taking quizzes and allow discussion among users. ADAPT also enables smooth course administration, delivery, and management between lecturers and students. It also helps students to stay engaged before, during, and after classes. So this one is about ADAPT. So how can ADAPT benefits lecturers? So lecturers can stay connected with students online. Okay, lecturers are able to share a variety of different resources such as videos, text, tutorials, and exercises. So lecturers can create teaching materials 24/7, which can be reviewed as many times as the students need it. So as you can see here, this is lecturers login, login, right? And this one is for students. So students can, type their email over here and create their password so that they can start using this mobile application ADAPT. Okay, ADAPT equip students with materials and knowledge about the topic that in line with the syllabus. Indirectly, it helps lecturers to achieve course objectives. Okay, since all learning materials is mediated through mobile devices, students can be engaged with it at any time and anywhere. So these are the things, okay, the content that ADAPT have. This one is tutorial. As you can see here, the profile, the tutorial, the exercise 1, exercise 2, right? And smart e-learning, understanding features, characteristic, functions of products. So this is the topic that the students should know, and they should have they should explore this and understanding this topic. Okay. Another thing says about notes. So I have mentioned before about notes. So this is the sample of notes that students can explore in ADAPT. So notes on features of products. So features of products are characteristics that your product or service does or has and usually described in technical terms. Okay, so features distinguish characteristics of a product or service by highlighting its special appeals that give benefits to users and also customers. So this one is something like the definition of features. So if you explore more about ADAPT, you can understand more what is all about features, what is all about characteristics and functions of products or services. After the students explore the notes on features, characteristics and functions of the products, students can test their understanding by doing the list of exercises. So in this application, we also provide the students with exercises which can be updated by their lecturers time by time.
Okay, for the conclusions. The most important element when designing a mobile application is the effectiveness of the applications to the users. So in this situation, the users are among DUE 30022 Communicative English 2 students who have problems in understanding features and characteristics of products. And it is believed that ADAPT has the ability to assist students to create their own learning path, be responsible for their improvement in English learning, and have fun in learning with stress-free mobile applications. And the new way of learning has changed the landscapes of teaching and learning. Thus, everyone involved in the process must be proactive and alert with the changes. Okay, so for the last section, there is appendix. Okay, right. Before we end the presentation, we would like you to take a look on the ADAPT features. Okay, all right. So as explained by my friends, okay, this is the ADAPT online learning management system. Okay, and all right. Okay, instead of students, lecturer also can log in to ADAPT. Okay, because it allows lecturers to stay connected with students online. Lecturers can log in to ADAPT in order to upload notes, changing the exercise, task question, and so on. Okay, so this is another features that you can find when you explore ADAPT. All right, all the notes, example given, can guide students in their presentations once they understand the features and the characteristics of the products. So they do not have or they do not face huge problem when it comes to their presentation. Right, besides the example, right, as you can see, students also can do the exercise in order to improve their understandings. And furthermore, they also can complete the test provided in the application. That's all. Thank you.